Ooh,
how pretty.
that's got nice colors.
Oh,
I like that.
that is pretty.
You got the yellow and
oh,
the white.
Hey, fellow rock hounds. Today we're looking at Ocos. Lots of Ocos.
Ooh, look at that.
Whoa, that is nice.
That's a cool one.
Not a geode, but it's a beautiful agate.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Look at the white swirls.
Ocos come from southern Brazil near the Uruguay border in an area called Tres Pinheiros. I know I slaughtered that word, but it means 3 pines.
Oh, look at that.
That looks like marbled or something.
Yeah, look at it.
That's pretty. That's
gonna
different.
Look pretty. It's got the blue in there and
yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, very pretty. Very
nice. Yeah, I caught it. Got a nice full. Oh, look at the white water. How brisk those are.
Oh, yeah. Very sharp.
Wah, wah, wah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, how pretty. It's like
clouds.
Or a snowy mountain scene. Look at that.
Oh, it's like, like clouds under the storm rolling in.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. This was the biggest one, the biggest round one that we opened up. So here we go. Oh, how pretty. Look. Oh, that one's so earthy.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very pretty. Oh, I like that. Oh. Yeah. Again, no geode, just full of, I don't know, is that agate?
I don't know. It's got that red look. I mean, that's not
thicker.
Oh.
Oh, that's got a pretty geode center in it.
Yeah.
Got some goethite in there. And it's a floater again. Got the floater.
Yeah.
Ocos form when tiny bubbles get trapped in lava. As that lava hardens, the bubble stays as a little cavity. Later, mineral-rich water sneaks in and paints silky layers along the walls, and those are your agate bands. When the chemistry flips, crystals start to sprout into the open space. Usually these crystals are quartz.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh,
that's
pretty.
Cool.
Look at that. Look how
that
dark
ring.
that is.
That's cool. It's almost black.
Yeah.
Oh, this was the funky one.
Well, this is the one that's like got the true Oco form on the outside. This one, so this one is going to be really pretty inside. Ooh, yeah.
Look at that.
That one's pretty.
It almost looks like a doily.
Yeah.
With the white doily look.
Yeah. I always call that zebra looking.
Yeah.
I forget what they call it. I think cloud. I don't remember, but I always call it zebra. I like that. That's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Oh,
look at that.
That's pretty. Oh, that.
Almost looks like snowflakes on the inside.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's all quartz, but that, I like that pattern of it.
That's pretty.
That's pretty. Nice.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that.
That's cool.
Oh, look at that patterning in that. Wow. We've got like quartz right here, straight water line there, and then we've got that cloud agate going on there.
Cool. That is nice. Hi, everybody. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our content, please hit the subscribe button and the like button.
Ooh. Oh, look at. Does that one have some little bit of amethyst lining in it?
Yeah, it looks purple.
A little purple
a little
in there.
purple around the outside edge too.
Look at that.
That's cool.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Ooh, very like druzy amethyst in there.
Cool.
Wow,
That's
that's
very
pretty.
nice. Ooh,
Oh,
look at that.
Well, look at that. It's a quartzite one again, or a quartz, but that is pretty.
Look at.
Okay, this one's got kind of a nice Oco shell going on again. Let's see what we get.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty.
Oh, I like that one.
The little amber balls down on the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a pretty one.
That is.
Again,
That
it's
is.
got that cloud
like that.
formation going on. Oh.
Like a dream pool.
Yeah. That one is very pretty. Oh.
Look at that.
That's a dark one.
Yeah. Like a blue moon.
A blue moon.
Blue moon.
That's nice. That's different.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that.
That's a nice one.
That is really nice.
That's nice. Look at that peachy color in there. Let's see if I can get some more.
I like how it cuts off at the bottom. It looks like a like bookends.
Yeah. Yeah, mini bookends.
Mini bookends.
Oh, that's some sharp waterline there.
Yeah.
And some beautiful peach quartz in there. That's pretty. Wow. So we want to hear from our fellow rock hounds. Which is your favorite Oco? And are you on Team Agate banding or Team Sparkle? Let us know in the comments below. We really want to hear what you think. Okay, this is the one that reminds me of a dead fish. Like, you know, we found it along the shore or something. You know, it just, I'm sorry, it looks like a dead fish. Oh.
Look, it's shiny.
That one's very pretty.
It's got sparkles in there.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
We're seeing a lot of this, you know,
those black dots,
yeah.
That's goethite.
Yeah, well, we're seeing a lot of that.
Yeah. Ooh, that one's very muted. Muted and pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
That is nice.
Again, it's very muted.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh. It's like rotten to the core.
Oh, wow. I've never seen one black on the inside like that.
Yeah, I wonder if it's just all coated in goethite. I don't know.
Don't know either.
That's interesting. I like it. Oh. Again, more muted.
Yeah.
But again,
it's kind of neat how it's got the little ends on the end where for the outside formation. Looks,
right there. Huh. That's pretty.
Got a nice little geode pocket.
Yes, it does.
Oh, cool.
Like it.
Look at that.
Oh, that is pretty. Look at that.
I hope that little lip holds up while we polish it.
I think that will.
Nice.
Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which one was your favorite Oco. Thanks again.